Happy Sunday, traders. I hope you all had a great weekend. I am live in Manhattan right now. Dimitri and myself just wrapped up our first podcast. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. We're going to be posting those hopefully once or twice a month. We're going to be keeping up to date with that. Today, I'm going to be going over and recapping Friday's trading day as well as the upcoming trading plan for the rest of the week. Let's get into this. So, if you've been paying attention and writing down the key levels I've been giving you guys, they have been working to the T. There is zero reason for people to have any big losses or even red days, because if you just stuck to our trading plan, to our key levels, you absolutely banked. So when it comes to Friday, guys, I was traveling. I wasn't able to be on the live channel, but I ended up alerting one play. Can you guess what that play is? I'm going to show you. We had a buy zone at 434.43 and 434.22. I ended up alerting and buying calls at the exact low of the day on Friday. These 440 calls, guys, went from 10 cents to $9.40. I don't play same days. I don't go out the money, but it's crazy when you see that big of price action in contracts. That was nuts. But yeah, guys, we ended up hitting at the absolute low of the day. It was a one play. That's all I hit. I made my daily goal within 5 minutes. Okay, if you would have bought in where I alerted the calls and even the key level, if you would have left runners, guys, you would have not have even been stopped out. There's people in the Discord, some of the moderators that held for a majority of this play. So big shout out to everyone who stuck to the key level, stuck to the game plan, bought calls where we're supposed to buy, and you got paid, you got rewarded. So the upcoming game plan for next week, we currently closed above 440. The daily candle on SPY is bullish right now. I ended up getting SPXX shares, Dimitri and myself, and quite a bit of others. It's not the smartest thing to be shorting the market with this big of a daily green candle. It is very bullish, but we are at the levels that I told myself I would be start buying. So instead of purchasing options contracts, I bought SPXS shares. Okay, so I have probably a 50% size position in that. It's around the 1460s, if I believe. Don't quote me on that. 1450, 1460s in that area, average cost. I'm going to be holding this for a little bit. So we're above 440. First things first, I want you guys to pay very close attention to the previous close, the 440.61. Add this line to your chart, this dotted red line. That's the previous close. I'm going to be watching for a gap close reversal, whether we gap up or down from that level. If we end up gapping up, we're so close to 440. Once it hits previous close, there is a chance we will come back down and retest 440. So I will be looking for calls at that level for a snipe play. Other than that, guys, I don't like calls at this level. We are way too extended, way too many gaps to fill beneath of us. I do not like the calls, but the daily chart is telling us it is calls. So play it smart, guys. Only buying at the key levels, and we will go from there. So I'm going to be paying close attention to the previous closing price, 440.61, as well as 440. One key level that we ended up not retesting was 437.43. If you look at all of our other key levels, guys, this is the reason why SPY kept running. Every key level, we broke through it, made it support. Where did we go? To the next key level, made it support. Where did we go? The next key level, made it support. You see how SPY kept breaking through a key level, used it as support, and kept going higher. So if you were to short a position like this level right here, okay, if you enter a short position and it ends up being a support, this is when you cut your loss for a puts, or you take your small little win and you switch to calls, because as soon as we made the support, we ended up running. Crazy price action on Friday. I could see a lot of people going red because they probably chased puts this entire run-up. But what the SPY chart was telling you is every key level that we had, we broke through it and we came to support. When a key level becomes a support, where does it go? To the next key level. So that's the game plan. The upper portion of SPY, I'm not going to be paying too much attention to. I'm more bearish at the previous close level. So other than that, I will be playing 440.50. That was a key level from 2 videos ago. Add that to your chart, 440.50. But in this zone here, it's looking like a nice area for puts. keep in mind, if we end up gapping up, I am no longer interested in this play until we break through and we retest 440 or the previous close, and then I'm going to hit the puts. I am waiting for confirmation. I'm not blindly buying put options and shorting the market. We wait for the confirmation. The reason why I entered SPXS is because that was my game plan. Once we got 440, I'm going to start a position with that. So I bought shares again, not options. Options are way too risky at this level. I'm sticking to my game plan at 440. We broke through it. I ended up hitting those calls or those puts or those shares, sorry. And that's what I'm going to be doing, okay? I'm not over leveraging myself. I'm buying where I'm supposed to be buying at the highest key level that we have right now. When will I cut this? 440 support or the previous close. I'll cut that and I'll re-enter at the higher time frames. But as of right now, I think we are gonna most likely gap down in the morning. So I'm gonna be looking for puts at 440 to 440.61. That is the game plan, guys. Thank you guys for tuning into all my videos. I appreciate it. If you would like to be part of the Daily Sniper, the link is in the bio. We live trade every single day, and now we have a futures professor who is going to be teaching everyone how to pass funded accounts and how to trade futures. His name is Gundy. He's been absolutely killing it in the Discord. I'm so happy to have him a part of the family, guys, honestly. So link is in the bio, guys. I will be live at market open. I will see you guys there. Everyone, take care and enjoy your Sunday night.